All right. Hopefully everyone having a good night so far. We are clocked in to London. We are starting the stream now. Hopefully having a good night. Like I said, we're about to look for some trades, something like that. You know what I mean? Let's see if we catch something here tonight. It's going to be a very interesting night. Again, stay cozy. It's very cold out here in LA. It's around the 60s. Actually 50s, I believe. But wherever you are, stay warm. Other than that, let's get the show on the road. Let's kick off London session. Here we go. All right. All right, welcome in. Yes, sir. Okay. So what we're looking at here is GJ at the moment. Now, GJ played out really nicely last night. And what we're looking for here tonight is potentially another big push to the upside. All right. So the way I see it here is, again, it definitely came back down to this exact trend line that I had marked up since yesterday. So with that being said, again, we're going to look for some sort of retrace to then continue pushing up higher. Right now, the levels I'm looking at is potentially, again, this level here. So we do have obviously this. So what happened last night here, if we just kind of break down what happened here on the 4-hour time frame. But last night we had an impulse. Right? We had an impulse all the way down, broke these lows right here, which was a low that we were trying to keep in mind, of course. So and then obviously we anticipated GJ to then push down to this low down here. Now what I really wanted to see, and sort of just kind of line up to my overall analysis, was basically have GJ come down to this exact level here on the 4-hour time frame. If you notice here, we have a high, and then obviously is the start of this big impulse at the moment. So, or at that moment in time. And so what we saw was, then we saw GJ push right back down, come back down to these lows right here. So that played out really nicely. Again, I had a trend line that was pretty marked up on point. So we had here on the daily time frame, you can see we have one touch, a second touch, and this is now our third touch. So this is our third rejection. And so again, what I saw here, obviously I missed the buy in the morning because it's New York session at that time. I am kind of sleeping, not even gonna lie, I am sleeping. And so we did catch the sell during London session though. We did catch the sell, which played out really nicely. So now if we go ahead and adjust this level, now that we aren't actually at that, we didn't exactly reject the level that I wanted to see, we're going to go ahead and actually adjust this here. That way it's a little more accurate. That, and again, now all I want to see is I want to see this level here being retested. All right, actually touching the actual level there. So if we come right back down, somewhere around here, this could be another potential entry for another buy back up to these highs potentially. So let's go over to our 4-hour time frame one more time so we can pinpoint that. If you notice here, again, this was the start of this impulse. Okay, start of that impulse. So we came right back up, retested that level pretty nicely and accurately at that. And then we had a massive rejection. So again, what can we expect here tonight? If we look at the actual monthly time frame, let's go ahead and look at the monthly time frame at this moment. So the monthly time frame here, what is it telling us? Okay, so if I go to, let's go to GJ, the actual clean one here. Okay, so GJ here, move this up. GJ here is telling us that we actually, the last month, we actually closed, we closed bullish. Okay, we closed bullish. And so what I want to see here is this just a retracement to that bullish candle? Okay, the reason is because if you notice here, this level here, all right, we notice this level here on the left side. Actually, no, you see this level here? We have that rejection, okay? Potentially, we can come right back down, more of a long-term play. But again, because we rejected this level here, now it's telling us, okay, support actually maintained there, okay? So So yeah, again, the way this last month closed, we closed bullish. There's a pretty nice candle here. So this can be an actual retracement on those lower time frames, such as the weekly, the daily, and so on. All right. So now, how is this month going to close? That's the question. So we have we have about 2 weeks left. Yeah, less than 2 weeks. All right. So we're going to see how this month closes, and that's going to be the end of the year as well. So again, we got to see what's going to happen in the next few days. But here you see a descending trend line at the same time. And the weekly, let's go ahead and break down the weekly here. You see how the weekly actually closed. Okay, we want to see the weekly close above perhaps these highs right here. So again, it's going to be an interesting week. Let's see how this plays out. But again, look at this rejection here. Let's go back to this. Let's put a level here. The start of this impulse. And we had that rejection. So again, that was a nice solid rejection there. And so I want to see if the move, GJ is going to start reversing back to the upside. Here on the daily though, like I said, on the daily, we have a long wick here. So we have a lot of liquidity to still grab. Okay, the market still needs to grab this before we do end up pushing right back up. So again, I do anticipate it actually dropping tonight to then continue pushing up higher during New York session, because we are in some sort of channel here at the moment. If you notice, we are in a channel. Okay, let's go ahead and there you go. We're in that channel at the moment, and so we should be able to catch some of this liquidity here. All right, and if we do end up catching some of this here again, like if you notice these lows right here, let's mark that up. Let's see what that looks like on the 4 hour. Okay, so that's exactly the rejection that we found. So I don't really need this here. Okay, now we are testing a level of Ruben. We are testing a level of resistance right around this area. Hey, what's up, man?
What up, brother?
What's going on, bro?
Chilling, man.
Chilling. Word.
Bro,
Welcome in.
I tried doing the final, and it still won't let me. So I called my bank account, and I have to wait until 8 in the morning.
A final?
The final 2K.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, bro. Fucking first they said midnight.
Yeah.
And now they said anywhere between 6 in the morning and 8 in the morning.
Oh, damn. Oh no, that's fine, man. No rush, bro. Honestly, like just as long as we get it in there safe, you're good. You know what I mean?
Yeah, dude. I'm making sure I'm safe, bro.
Yo, what up, Rafa? Welcome in, dude.
What's up?
What's up, brother?
I just got in buying US 30.
Yo, hey, you killing, yo, bro. Good for you, dude. Hell yeah.
Today, dog.
That's good, man. Good shit.
I put it in the Telegram.
You saw you put it in the Telegram?
I got it at 341.99.
Oh, that's a good. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm looking at it. That's nice. Hell yeah, good shit, bro.
Fucking Chris, man, he fucking makes me want to go in big ass trades.
Yeah. He'll do that to you.
I'm gonna chill.
He'll do that to you. He's been trained pretty good too, so I mean, he's got some experience under his belt as well.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah. But yeah, I was just explaining.
Dude,
oh yeah, good.
Trading these exotic pairs, dude, like fuck.
Yeah.
That's why he motivated me to get into big pairs.
Yeah, bro. Fuck it.
I saw he got it for the sell. He was like, yo, and then I looked at it and I was like, I think this is gonna keep going down.
Yeah.
I got in. I was like, fuck it.
Nice. Hell yeah.
But yo, the trade this morning, man, that was money. Bro, that was money.
That's good, man. That's good. I caught a few trades earlier today on GU. I caught some sells.
Okay. Oh yeah. I was actually getting sold, but I just after that big win, I was like, I didn't want to trade anymore.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to trade like GU right now.
Yeah.
Because that's why I wanted to do US 30, because US 30 it was different, but GU I was waiting for it to London, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. I think I actually caught it like as soon as it broke out of here. That break right there.
Oh yeah.
And then I got out, I think when it was just about to get down here, because I knew it was going to recover some of this liquidity here. So I did definitely hold for about like 40 plus pips, which was nice. So that was cool.
Dude, I need to get in those fucking 2 lots, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hell, you will.
Dude,
It's just patience,
yeah,
patience. Now, right now, what you're doing is great, bro. Like, the way you're holding these trades, that's awesome.
Dude, this morning when I woke up and then I was up 177 pips, I was like, bro.
That's awesome. Hell yeah,
It
bro.
was amazing. It was good. I'm actually happy.
That's good, dude. That's good.
But I'm gonna chill out for a bit though, and I'm gonna see what's up today.
Mm-hmm.
GU looks like it wants to keep going up though.
That's what I'm looking at as far as GJ as well. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because
I think,
look at this. Last night, I don't know. I didn't see it because I fell asleep. But like here, this was the exact level that it rejected, and I was looking for buys.
The weekly.
Mm-hmm. The weekly low, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I saw. That's why I took the trade.
And it lines up with this trend line as well, which is based off of like the daily. But that was perfect. That was like a perfect rejection, and then I missed it unfortunately. But but we did catch some sells last night as well, so that was cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
Aero, I was gonna get in a 0.15, but I was a little nervous to be honest. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna sleep, so I was like, I don't know how I feel about this because you can easily go down like $400, 300.
On what?
I was like, on GU if I would have gotten like in a 0.15, for a while.
Nah, man.
I wasn't looking at it, so that's why I was like,
there's absolutely nothing wrong with you getting in on that 0.05 because you're testing yourself, like you're challenging yourself.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that, man. Trust me. You know what I mean? Like if that's what you're comfortable with, especially because you were going to sleep, like that makes sense.
Yeah, that's why, like,
had you stayed up, maybe it'd be different. Maybe if you were actually watching your trade, it'd be different.
right.
But I hear you. I know exactly what you mean. I don't like taking trades when I'm not like paying attention to the market like that. And if I do, I don't go in on big lot sizes.
Right. No, I mean, and that's the thing too. I was gonna get big lot, but the thing is that, what I should have done when Victor was right, I should have just set my stop loss. Just set my stop loss and just let it hit. You know what I mean? Because when I was doing my TP, my stop loss, it didn't even touch my stop loss. I only went down 5 pips, and then it just shot up.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, man. You just gotta. I know that if you were to stay up, you'd be actually probably scaling on a bigger lot size.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yep.
But yeah, now I'm looking at buys for GU, so I just kind of want to see what's gonna happen.
Where's GU here? Let me check out GU.
I'm just waiting for the break.
On the 15?
Yeah, well, I'm looking at 45. But the thing is, the daily, look at that huge rejection in the daily.
So that's exactly what I was just explaining at the beginning of the YouTube stream before everyone got on. But because I know people watch this. Yo, what's up, man? Welcome in. What up?
Yo, what up?
What up? My name is Peter McKinnon. What up? All right, listen. So yeah. Huh? What up? All right.
What's up, YouTube?
All right. So if you do pay attention to this daily here, we have this massive spike right here, right? So yeah, I mean, you can anticipate the market to push down to at least get some of this liquidity, but I think at this point, if you're looking past history, like the market always comes back to at least catch some of that liquidity before it does end up going the opposite way. Actually not necessarily here, but yeah, I mean, that's something we definitely have to watch tonight. But still, I do have GU, GJ, and those pushing up higher.
Yeah, that's exactly what I saw too. That it's gonna fill up a little bit of that wick, princess wick, and then it's gonna continue going up. But I mean, maybe I just feel like it's too good to be true. You know what I mean?
It always is, especially at the beginning of London.
Yeah.
You already know the patterns.
Yep.
No, why wait.
The what?
Huh?
Ripple,
What?
Ripple.
Oh, Ripple?
Yeah.
Why did it spike down?
Yeah.
That's a damn good question. I don't know. Let's see.
I break it down. I couldn't. I wasn't. Like, when I was looking at the break it
Oh,
down-
it's back at 46 cents. Okay.
Aero, is it straight if I send you chart?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Perfect. I'm about
Yeah.
to
Send
right
it.
now.
Send it. Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Send it through. There you go. Cool.
So that would be like the 4-hour zones that I have so far.
Let's see.
And I have the weekly that both you and Rafa were talking about, but for some reason I don't have it as a weekly. I have it as a 4-hour.
Look at the weekly. I'll show you in a second. Look at the weekly and just look at the floor or the support level that it has created. So, but it still lines up with your 4-hour that you have here. So it's still the same thing.
Okay.
So
is that chart looking good so far though?
oh yeah, that looks great. So you have, let me annotate here, but you have yeah, so you have confirmed demand here because the market came down, rejected it.
Yep.
You have confirmed supply, the market came down, rejected it. Here, this is not confirmed yet, but it can be, right? So being that if the market was to come all the way back down here, you already have confirmed demand. Okay, so more than likely you'll get another rejection, right? Same thing up here. If the market shoots right back up here, you already have confirmed supply as well, right? So this level here, I'm assuming this is from your 1 hour, right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
a 1-hour demand. Correct.
Okay, so the demand hasn't been created yet. The reason is because this is just a level of support. Reason is because the market has not come down to reject it yet. Okay, but this is a level of support, which is still valid. That's still a great support level. So on the 4-hour, if this candle, let me go ahead and delete everything here. If this candle closes like this, you already have a level of support on that 4-hour time frame. So then, like I said, we anticipate it to actually shoot up, and then we'll see what happens. If it does reject this, cool. But if it doesn't and actually breaks through it, then now you have this level to worry about, and you know what I mean. So you'll see what happens there. But but it looks good. Yeah.
So there is no trade until it gets to that support.
No, I'm not saying that there isn't. It's just obviously you have other levels to consider as well. Like if I draw a line here, you'll see that there's you see how there's like support and resistance is still being applied. Okay, so you have to pay attention to, obviously here you have some resistance, right? And then this could potentially be support. Now, if this level does not hold and it actually continues pushing down lower, then okay, now your 1 hour makes sense. Okay, but if it does hold, all right, now we have these levels to start worrying about.
Gotcha.
So we could buy it on the way up.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Awesome, man. Thank
Yeah,
you.
hell yeah.
Taking advantage of this.
Oh yeah, cool. Fuck yeah, dude. All right. So back to your question, Steven.
Yeah.
It looks like okay. XRP price crashes as SEC prepares to sue Ripple.
Whoa.
Oh,
Okay, wait a minute. That's interesting. It says, the moment has come. Apparently, the SEC is ready to sue Ripple for issuing XRP as a non-registered security. Oh shit.
damn. Wait, why is so? Wait, because of what?
Because it's a non-registered security. Because again, this is
Yeah.
you know, okay, so you know XRP is actually it's actually controlled by banks. So that's like the only like crypto that is how would I say it? Fuck, there's a word for it. Like Bitcoin and all that can be mined. XRP can't.
Okay.
Other cryptos can be mined, but XRP is the only one that's not, because that is the only one that again can be controlled by big banks. Those are the ones that are controlled by big banks. But
Ripple controlled by big bank.
actually, it's controlled by China. To be honest with you, China owns XRP.
I didn't even know keep my money invested into Ripple.
No, it's still a crypto. I mean, it still plays along with like, yeah. See, okay, so it looks like XRP Ripple team is sinking to new levels of strangeness. They're claiming that their shitcoin, shit, their shitcoin should not be called a security for public policy reasons, namely because Bitcoin and Ethereum are Chinese controlled. Okay, no, wait. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to really look into this. I don't know. That's not looking good for Ripple though. But you know what? You know one good thing though is that it's gonna, if it drops price, just buy more. Fuck it.
Yo.
I bought some today.
Just buy more.
I still see it being a good hold for the future, though.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know? Alrighty.
All right, guys. So let's see what's going on here. Hey, yo, Rafa, what you sent me? That was oh, what you sent me was the sound effects. I was looking for like transitions from like a clip to another clip, like a template or something. You know what I mean? Not just like fade outs and fade ins and stuff like that. What's up, fool? Okay, never mind. Yo, Steven. Hi. Yo, Stevens.
Yo, I've been hearing my name a lot this week.
Oh, right
Yo.
on.
Change my name.
Is there templates for like transitions in scenes or like from clip to clip? Because what Rafa sent me was just sound effects.
Their templates already built in inside Premiere.
Okay, so like
You want some different ones, like some more like
real cool
you don't
ones.
have to be crazy neither, bro. Like the ones that a lot of professionals uses. Is dissolve.
The film dissolve,
No, cross dissolve.
cross dissolve.
Yeah. So
No,
when you go in when you go to Premiere, make sure video transitions and then because it's not too crazy. Because with transition, you don't want it to be too crazy because people get confused.
No, but I want some like a transition where like it goes from one clip to another, where like something dramatic, like where it changes a complete like different scene. Like, cause I got drone shots, so I want to just like, I don't want it to just like dissolve. I want it to do something cool.
Like a bang?
Like a bang, or like flip around or something, or just fucking like, I don't know. You know what I mean?
Bro, I don't know, bro. We customize most of our templates.
Oh, do you?
Like everything manual, yeah.
Oh, word.
So like it's very important. Like if you start learning about the keyframes, at least with the keyframes, you can like it helps out a lot because in certain seconds,
Yeah.
and in certain frames you can make it like zoom in and then next frame zoom out, so that it'll make that effect of like a bang, or you can make it like scale it going up and then scale it going down, so it can make it like it vibrates.
Okay.
But yeah, it's keyframes. That's a whole different ballgame though, bro.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Right. But it's good to know it though.
Yeah.
Your search video sweaty.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, my bad. What were we asking? I slipped away.
No, you're good. What you sent me? Hold up, because this is starting to kind of take off here. What you sent me was like sound effects I was looking for like templates of like transitions from one scene to another. You know what I mean? Like some like dramatic shit. I don't know. Is there a such thing?
Oh, dude, if you want to do that, what you should get into is well, you don't have a Mac, so you have to look at
Because how do you do your transitions? Like,
not presets, but plugins. That's what you.
oh, is that what it's called? Plugins?
It's called plugins.
Okay.
It's for Adobe Premiere. I don't use them because I my work is in a professional level, and a lot of people, like a lot of clients, I can't use it because you have to get a license if you use a transition.
Oh, okay.
And if it's on a commercial, you have to make sure that you also send out the license.
Okay.
Because it's not, yeah, it's free, but you're getting it from someone else.
Gotcha.
So
That makes sense.
if they're gonna sell it, you have to make sure that you sell the license too.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If I could buy them, I could buy them as well.
Oh,
Like,
yeah. There's a couple plugins. Hell yeah.
oh,
There's
okay. Cool.
It just, you have to learn how to do them too. Like I said, dude, it just all depends. If but there's a lot. There's a lot for Final Cut, and there's also a lot for Premiere.
Oh, okay.
But I don't do the plugins and shit. So
Oh, okay.
you just
Gotcha.
have to, like, just look around and see who has it. The one I sent you, yeah, that's for sound effects, and that's the one I really know. But plugins, no, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. With that one too, the Film Clerks, like that one, you can also get royalty free, like B-roll, like videos.
Oh, okay.
So like if you want like drone footage of like a building or anything like that, yeah, you can get that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I got some pretty cool footage, and so like I want to make it to where it's like not lame, like just like just regular fade to black kind of shit. You know what I mean? I want it to be something cool.
Damn, geez, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Oh wow. Hallelujah.
I knew it was gonna go up, but I didn't know it would go up like that.
I didn't think it was gonna go up like that either. Trying to buff the volume here. Okay. All right.
Yo, where's Big at?
He's here next to me. He's looking at the chart before he gets on.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna get it for this buy, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Oh, it closed nice in a 5 minute.
On the 5 minute did. 15 not so much right now. but
Eating itself up.
yeah. Yeah, but I think I do see it going up long term, man. I think
Yeah.
So Ariel, that top bar is where you think it's gonna go to?
I think so.
Your
Yeah.
prediction?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's starting to work its way. Oh, it's starting to take off here. S15 has to close pretty nice though. Yeah, five.
Yeah,
plus,
that fits
we
in
got like,
closing.
yeah.
But I don't like lower time frames that's closing. Like the 5 minute looks good, but I feel more comfortable on the 15 minute.
Yeah. What do you think, man?
I think it's short.
It's a short.
Yeah, but we can buy and get like a nice, like 50 tips. Yeah. I think a good opportunity to buy would be to buy at
Yo, Bitcoin's gonna take a shit
800.
right now.
138,800.
Oh, on GJ?
GJ, yeah. What are you guys looking at?
I was looking at 138, 800.
Yeah.
Let me get that account ready.
Buy now.
Right now.
Yeah, just in case.
All right, we're in the trade. TP reset. Let's see. Is it 5 minutes?
The bottom wick 15 candle.
Okay. Oh, the stop loss
The candle, yeah.
for now. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. It's, shit. It's kind of a little bit larger than the. Alright, let's see. Let's up a little bit. Yo, I'm up 100 pips on Euro NZD with 20% of my original entry, still holding it to make a new higher high on the 4-hour time frame, reaching 1.74 4,000. Nice, man. Hell yeah, dude. I saw that. You got into some really good trades in the last night, this morning. That's awesome, bro. Fuck yeah. That's great. Yeah, we're gonna see how this plays out here tonight. Is a good solid 26 pips. Just top of that 15 there. Let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour that looks about right. I think GJ is gonna blast through that. It has a lot of bullish momentum. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. Okay, 15 just closed. That's good.
All right, there we go.
Alright, we're also recording it as well.
I got.
Ruben, you froze. Completely. MLP, hey, what up? Mario, what's up, man?
First CP 999.
Am I back?
Yeah, you're not. Yeah,
Remove stop loss.
First TP at what?
Move stop loss now.
Okay.
820. Actually,
Yo, GU is going too.
Nice.
stop loss 743. Oh, what you have is fine. What you have. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Alright, good.
Alright, so we just hit that resistance on the 15. So we're so we have to be careful.
It's in my 4-hour low right now.
What happened?
It's in my 4-hour low.
What, DJ?
GU.
Oh.
Oh. My bad, this was GU.
It's very similar though. It's moving pretty similar.
Yeah.
Hey, All right,
Yes,
7
sir.
viewers. Come on in. Welcome
Yep.
in, guys. Hope you guys having a good night. We're taking it easy tonight, kind of. Kind of. Nice, she going up? Well, I hope so, man. Shit. Ooh, look at her. Let's get it.
139, 150. What's TP?
TP is at. I just kind of set it above a high, but it's at 130, 150. Yeah, 139, 150.
So because it spreads, we just have to watch it, okay?
Okay.
Because it might hit before. But I mean, we're already. Everybody should be like 14, 15 pips in profit.
Mm-hmm.
I think at this point, go ahead and move stop loss. All right, let's move it to. Give me a second. 138, 920.
Okay, 920. What, stop
Yeah.
loss?
Yeah, right there. Sorry, I was looking at the other chart.
Okay. Somewhere here? Okay. Hey, all right, welcome in, guys. Anyone in here brand new? Tell us where you're from, man. Where are you guys watching from? No, you're not. Lying ass. Oh, let's get it. Come on now.
Okay, move T. No, never mind. We're at the wrong fucking time frame.
Okay, let's get it. Oh, let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, move stop loss to break even. A little bit above. Do the candle. Yeah, there you go. We're almost there.
Let's go. Come on now. Get there. Oh, let's go.
Alright, cool. So on the 30 minute, we're hitting the resistance.
Close it.
So I think we should be good for now, guys. Let's not get greedy.
Let's close it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, fuck.
Nice.
Alright, well, that's good. Alright. Cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah. There we go. Alright.
Yeah, so nice quick little 20 pips. So we ended up closing because of there's major resistance on the on
Victor,
the
your mic is on mute.
Oh, you can't hear me from this?
No, yeah.
I could hear you from Ariel's.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That way
Yeah,
it's
that's
Oh,
what we're
okay.
doing.
Yeah.
Just making sure, man.
I'm from the UK, new as well. Welcome in, Jessica. Thank you for stopping by. Do you trade? Do you normally trade these hours? Oh, obviously, yeah, for your.
Well, obviously.
Sorry about that.
Alright, so go ahead and update it. The 20
Oh,
pips.
yeah. I have 17 pips. Let's call it.
First trade of the day.
17
20 pips. I think overall the bias is a short. Just because we're going by the daily time frame, right? But I mean overall it has potential to go back to 140.
River Bank. I'm not sure what. I don't think I've ever heard of it, but I mean, the UK itself sounds cool. How are you guys doing out there? Are you guys really in shutdown? Everything's like, how are you guys doing out there?
No, Riverbank is in Cali,
And where?
California, dude. Riverbank, right here.
Oh.
That's another viewer. Welcome.
Oh, okay. I
Fabian.
thought you were from. Oh no! Oh, my bad.
No, there's
My bad.
River time.
I confused the purples, the
Yeah,
purple
yeah,
icons. Yeah. Okay, all right.
Welcome
in. Welcome in. My bad. Hopefully you guys having a good night. And do you guys, yo, shut. Listen, Mario. All right.
Hey, I think put the lights.
Mm-hmm.
It's too flash. Like I'm looking at the YouTube and it's too like crazy.
That means we're having a party.
Yeah. Trying to get somebody a stroke over here.
Means we're having a party out here, man. That's what that means. Hey, but how you guys doing, man? Hope you guys doing great. Do you guys trade every night or around this time all the time, or? And if you do, what pairs do you trade? I love what the crazy lights. Yeah, dude. Oh man. With this corona, everything down bad. Lots of people outside. Most stores. More stores are closed. Only restaurants are open and markets.
Really? Restaurants are open?
I thought you guys. I thought the UK shut down completely. No.
You guys are mandatory lockdown after midnight, right? You guys get arrested or something like that?
Oh, because I'm on this. Hold up. The lights.
Yeah.
I'm fucking dying. These wings gonna give me children. Nice. What kind of wings did you get, man? Did you go to Buffalo Wild Wings or Wingstop? Because Buffalo Wild Wings is always great. Takeaway only. Yeah. So we live in LA. So LA is pretty simple right now. I mean, everything's shut down as well. Everything's just takeaway at the moment. But yeah. Buffalo Wild Wings got the mango and blazing. Damn, that sounds good though. I ain't gonna lie, probably really worth it, huh? At least at the moment. Damn, we just got a nice trade and it's not even like, we haven't even hit London session yet.
No, not yet.
Damn.
I think we're gonna get a little pull down.
My nose is all runny right now. That's what happened. Little
victory dab.
Hey, nice. There you go. Go on,
you
celebrate.
know, bro? Hell yeah, man. Got to, bro.
Go on and celebrate, brother.
Who was that?
That's Ruben.
That's Ruben, man.
That's Ruben, bro.
Oh, Ruben, how you doing, man? Okay, sorry. I'm not watching the
Who's
videos.
that?
Yeah, I'm not watching the videos.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the charts. My bad, man. Hey, welcome in, man.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Thank you,
You
bro.
take that trade
Good,
with
man.
us?
Yeah, bro. I actually caught GJ and GU.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yep.
Heck
Yep,
yeah,
yep.
dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're coming to that 4-hour zone. That's why we cut it short, but I mean, 20 pips is 20 pips. In and out, you know?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
a crazy
sir.
time to trade right now. So you gotta
And
make
now
sure you...
nobody gets hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Looking at the 4-hour though, it's tough, man. I would like to see. I think if we come and retest 138,500 will be a good trade. Looking at it, unless it breaks.
138,500. Like
That's-
for another
It's
what?
like, so if you go to the 1 hour,
Oh, okay, that level.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So
Yeah, right here.
yeah. Possibly coming to retest that breakout.
Yeah. Jessica and Fabian, do you guys normally trade? Like, do you guys trade every day? Do you intraday? Do you scalp? or do you swing trade? God damn. Nice. Hell yeah.
What happened?
Hell yeah. Fucking trade that Victor took earlier.
It was a fuck you trade.
Fairly new to the whole trading concept. Steady learning. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. There you got. So how long have you been like, dabbing into trading? Like how long have you been trying to learn? I'm taking a month break from trading. Need a reset for the new year? You feel? Yeah, no, absolutely, man. Especially around this time again. Now it's like everyone's about the holidays and spending time with the family and all that. They don't want to be sitting in front of computers or anything like that. So makes complete sense. But we still gonna be here. Trying to catch some good moves every day if we can. Yesterday we caught a really nice sell. That was cool, and then we caught our first trade early on, so that's great.
Yeah. Jessica, who are you? If you don't mind us asking, who are you learning from? Do you have any mentors? Are you learning straight from YouTube? Are you learning from Astro since you're in that side of the globe?
I started house shopping yesterday. No shit. Really? Hell yeah.
Good for you, Mario.
That's awesome, man. Where at? I know you live in, you said Riverside, right? Alright, we got some, oh, damn, ew, that rejection on the 15.
Did you see that?
Yeah. No mentors at the moment. I'm looking a lot over Wigstill Live. Oh, okay. So, yeah, he's really cool. Actually, we watch him every now and then. Like, at the beginning of the year, I started watching him as well. He's great. Nothing but good things to say about him.
Yeah,
what's up, man? Intraday scout. Nice.
Yeah, Reg is great.
Yeah, Fabian, that's awesome, man. So you try to catch, quick in and out moves, right? I mean, that's really your style. And what pairs do you normally trade, or what currencies do you normally look at? Yep, Riverside, but I'm looking into houses in high desert. Houses are fairly big with Texas prices. Where's that?
London and why I work during the day.
I work during the day.
For
Oh,
sure.
right on, man. So you do be staying up, putting in the hours. That's good, man. It's awesome. That is great. Well, one thing you can't expect from us, guys, especially if you're new into the stream, we are on from Sunday to Thursday. So Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. So you guys can always more than welcome to pop in, hang out. Hope you're enjoying the stream. If you are, hope you are enjoying the stream. If you are, please, if you can, show some support to the stream. If you can like, and if you, like I said, if you do like it, subscribe would be awesome as well.
Yep.
But you don't have to.
Yeah, you definitely don't.
Yeah, I mean, you
And,
could definitely thumbs down and be like, no, this stream is shit. Like,
Nah, fuck that. Like and subscribe.
there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, but we do appreciate you guys being here.
For sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested, we
Yo,
also
is
have
Jeff
a
in the chat?
mentorship as well. No, Jeff is not here.
No, Jeff, no, definitely not in the chat right now. Yeah.
Jessica, Fabian, we have a free Telegram group chat. If you go under our under our description, we have the link available for you guys. So every time that we trade, Jessica, since you're familiar with Wix Live, we do the same thing.
Yeah.
The exact same thing, except we do it for London session, but he does it for NY. The Telegram group is free for you guys to join, and that's when we send out trade ideas, technical analysis. We talk about news, and every time we're live, we send out the link there. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click that button.
Yep.
Click the link. Get the bundle. It's funny.
Yes, sir. I like NASDAQ and US 30. Oh yeah, we've been looking into a lot of that as well. Yeah, I mean you could make some serious money off of that, especially if you get it down. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's also highly volatile, so
Yeah,
you gotta be
exactly.
careful, especially if
Big time.
like once you master like a regular pair, like let's say GJ, right? Then I definitely of course go to NASDAQ, go to US 30. I would recommend gold first before US 30. That way you get used to the volatility, because depending on your account size, you need to really know what your proper risk management is, right? You need to understand your exit strategy per se, and that's something that you need to have mastered before going into US 30 if you're going to become a profitable trader.
Yep.
It's definitely doable. Don't get me wrong. You get it.
US 30 though.
You can definitely make that happen.
Facts. Dumb, bro. Love these streams. Yo, thank you, Miguel, man. Thank you for chilling, dude. Hell yeah. Glad you're liking the streams, man. Alright, let me go back over to our trading view here.
Miguel's the guy with Berto.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, Miguel. Bobby, I'm telling you, we're gonna get your money back. I promise. And if we don't get your money back, we're gonna make sure that that guy never trades again. At least in IG. We gotta get big first. We gotta have a big following, and then once we have that big following, we can expose these fools.
Yeah.
Yeah, because dude, you know what? It sucks.
It makes everyone else look bad. That's what it is.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, it's all a scam. No, it's
they
fucking
think
not.
exactly. That's what pisses me off. Do you know what's the most underrated job of the new decade, right? Of the 20th, and possibly of the century? Day trading. It's so underrated. It's so new, and it has so much potential because you can make so much money, in and out. But it has such a bad rep because of the what is those people that do the multi-level marketing? IML?
Oh, IML, yeah.
Yeah, it has such a bad rep, right? Because of that, those scams. And it's not really a scam. People should be a little bit smart and have some common sense and understand what they're getting themselves into, like Herbalife, Amway,
100%.
etc.
Yep, 100%.
Although like Herbalife,
Because I can't hate on them. I can't hate on IML. I can't hate on, like, at the end of the day, a hustle is a hustle, right? But like, especially these people who really try to grind it out as far as recruiting. Good for them. I mean,
For sure.
some people are actually really making it, but
yeah, but that's not trading. That's
no,
not
it's
Forex,
not. Exactly.
That's
It's not an
about
actual,
recruiting.
Exactly.
Like, if somebody tells you gotta, come learn Forex with me, but you make so much money, or you have to pay a monthly fee, etc. And it's not for like signals or whatever. It's a scam. If you're recruiting, it's a scam, right? Because at the end of the day, if they're not teaching you the skill, then what are you really getting out of it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because listen, your signals can only work so long, right? Because what's gonna happen is those signals are gonna die over. These guys are gonna end up making so much money, right, out of the memberships, that overall the signals is gonna take it's gonna take too much time of their hands. So they focus on recruiting, so they stop that. Or signals are not 100% all the time. Yeah, right. Nobody's perfect, And in this industry, if you can be 60% right, you'll make it, right? But those 40% that you're wrong, a lot of people can lose money over it. So signals don't work, right? It's you need to understand. You need to learn how to trade, right? It's like that fucking saying I say all the time, and I stood by. I know it's super cliche, but you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he eats for a lifetime. It's so true.
Daniel Savage is a beast. Oh, 100%. What do you guys think? Yeah, I mean, dude, listen, like, can't argue with that. Like, Daniel, I mean, he knows what he's doing, bro. And I think he learned from, like, Ted, like, Raj as well. So it's like, not only that, he comes from Q, he comes from those guys, and so he's making it, dude. You can't, bro, y'all should see what people say about Forex on Twitter, and some of the people defending Forex have no clue what the fuck they're saying or they're talking about, making it look like the ones talking shit on Forex are right. Yeah, I mean, you're going to have people like that, very skeptical all the time, bro. People aren't, like, willing to take any risk at all, you know what I mean? And so it's like, oh, yeah, it's a scam. No, dude, it's not. Like, as long as you have a good understanding of how it works and you find your edge, dude, it's like anything, man. You go to a casino, that's a fucking scam. The house is always gonna win. The more you play, the house is always gonna win. So the market's the same way, man. It's like the casinos, you play a roulette, you play blackjack, you play craps. Craps you kind of have an advantage there, but roulette, blackjack, if you find an advantage, you're gonna make some money. If you have that slight advantage, you're gonna make some money. Same thing with the markets here. If you find your advantage, you're gonna make money. Let's see. Agreed. I just trade off the break on the 1 hour, but yeah, it can blow your account quick. I mean, that's a good way to see it, though. That's a lot of patience, and that's great, man. What do you think? Oh yeah, okay, Daniel Savage. Yeah, I've been trading for 4 years. I know how to trade, but this guy was giving US 30 signals, and the only time I fell for it, he took my money. Oh yeah. Well, again, it's really how he presents himself on Instagram. And he's talking about this other guy, Berto, Lines of Forex. He's not talking about Daniel Savage.
Yeah.
He's talking about some other guy. But yeah, I mean, it's really like the lifestyle he puts out on Instagram. That's really what it is.
Yeah.
And people
like his demo trading.
Yeah, people buy into it. People look at it and be like, oh, he must know what the hell he's doing. So I'm going to go ahead and invest into it. And like I said, how many times he messaged me because, like, hey, if you got 10K, message me. I'm like, bro, I am not going to send you 10K for what? If I can build it myself, why would I do that? So, yeah, I mean, you got to be very careful with those kind of people, man. But, again, you are going to have people all the time who don't understand it. And who are always going to say, oh, it's a scam. No, listen, it's not. Again, and you guys have all seen it. Everyone on here who does trade has seen the potential, right? So
for sure. Yeah, first and last time. Yeah, I feel you, man.
First and
yeah,
last
but it's definitely not okay. Like
no.
what these people do to other people, they're taking advantage of them. Because whether what 1,000, 2,000, even if it's $100, $200, it you don't understand. Some people that could be their last money, and they're putting their trust in that person. Like, that's serious. And for him to do stuff like that, that's definitely not okay.
Let's have some a little bit of crypto talk. What do you guys think about crypto, man?
Long and gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. How you guys feeling about crypto here? Long on gold? Huh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I know. Overall, yes. I say gold goes to 2,000 eventually, especially next year. Next year for sure. Unless there's some miracle and we somehow turn the economy around, but nope. You know, we're in a recession. We've been in a recession for the past 7 months, right? But people don't hear about it on the news, right? So it's mind-boggling that we don't hear about that kind of stuff in the news, and that's obviously because they don't want you to. But yeah, the U.S. economy is not doing well. London's not doing well at all either. Japan's not doing great. I mean, these are the biggest economies in the world, right? And they're not doing good. They're having a hard time with the pandemic.
Do you want some water?
No.
We got water working.
Huh? Yeah. No, I got tequila.
Go ahead.
I got vodka.
You got what? Vodka?
A little vodka and
Nice. Fucking.
the 7-Up.
Nah, I need some water. What the fuck?
Yeah, water. What the hell? What is water? Yeah, no, I definitely long on gold, long on crypto. I mean, crypto I've been long on for like the longest. So hopefully, I think people don't understand the potential of blockchain. I don't know if it'll be Bitcoin, right? I don't know if it'll be XRP or whatever. I think eventually what's gonna happen is, and people don't understand, is that the government is gonna understand what blockchain does, what blockchain could do for the world, and they're gonna make their own coin, and they're gonna find a way to stabilize the economy, right? Kind of like a big reset. But I honestly think that blockchain is the future, but it's not that great either, right? Because now they're gonna know. Right now, people can move money, millions and millions and millions, and nobody's gonna know, right? You can move billions from the Cayman Islands to Swiss, and nobody's gonna know, right? Unless you actually know about the transaction, or you ask the bank, etc., or you're following the money. But with let's say they do that with Bitcoin, everybody knows. You can find in the blockchain, everything is there. It's a ledger. So eventually, the government's going to use that to track and see what everybody's up to. I guess I don't know, honestly. It's definitely it's like a double-edged sword, right? You take 2 steps forward, but we are taking like maybe 3 steps back, etc. Crypto, definitely long. By 2025, if it hasn't reached its potential by 2025, then I don't know. It'd probably be a good time to sell off. 2025 for sure. Because right now we're just coming to adaptation, right? Fabian on the 1 hour TP 880, stop loss 80, 1866. Ooh, that's a huge stop loss, so Fabian. Huge stop loss. What is on the 1 hour? Oh, take profit 180. Well, what's your entry? 1866.
Again, anyone who is new here, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. We appreciate the support. We're becoming very consistent with these YouTube streams, so far it's been great. And again, thank you guys for being here.
Your entries 1869 555.
Entries 1869. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Hold on. Entries 1869.
555.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good entry. That makes your stop loss a lot smaller. But let me tell you what. If that's your entry, I would honestly move your stop loss to 1868 to the bottom of the wick of the 1 hour of the current 1 hour. Oh, sorry, 7-11. Okay, wait up. Fuck. So that stop loss is great, right? But you gotta be careful because the stop loss is 285 pips, and you know, with gold, with the liquidity of gold, you know, and how volatile it is, that 285 pips can move within 15 minutes and you're done. I mean, it could happen within 5 minutes, right? So let's see. So you said, let me see, 1869, 7-11. Yeah, you have a 300 pip stop loss, and I like it. Don't get me wrong. I like your entry. I believe it was a little bit too soon, right? Your entry you should have waited. If we're looking at the 1 hour together, you should have waited for the break of the previous candle, which is around. Give me a second. Which is around 1872, right? Because that would have given you a clear view to the upside and easy 300 pips, right? Because there's nothing to the left that's going to stop it until you get to the resistance that's around 1876, right? From previous that was previous support, right? But just be careful, you know. Jump down to I would jump down to the 15 minute time frame, and really pinpoint that entry, because it's gonna have, with gold, any indication of liquidity, which is your wicks, those high wicks. It's like, for example, like what you can see on Aero screen. Mm-hmm. So this liquidity is tough, right? That's serious. Because that liquidity is probably like 150 pips or something around 100 pips, right? So you have to be careful, because there's something happened, whether it was news or something. See, it's 187. Those wicks on gold are serious.
Yeah.
But if your account can handle the stop loss, then you're good to go. Yeah, you can let that ride easily until. Let me tell you right now. Easy, 1877, 249.
1877, 249.
Yeah, it would be this right here.
Right up here, yep. Oh, so the high of that.
Yeah, it would be right here. So this is your supply zone.
Yeah.
Right. So it's gonna come and reach this. Here's the deal. This right here. I don't know if you guys see it. Mm-hmm. That liquidity. Let me see. Did it come up? Yeah. Okay. That liquidity, that circle, that candle, the wick, that's serious, right? That's a 150, 100, 200 pips, and what is that telling us? That there was a lot of indecision in the market when it hit, right? The price action was really undecisive, so you're gonna have issues breaking that, right? So that's when when you start hitting resistance. Honestly, at this point, what I would do is I personally would move my entry to break even a little bit more, right? So because you never let your winners turn to losers, right? So I definitely would move my stop loss. Depending on your account again. I'm assuming that you have, if you're trading gold, you should have if you're doing a 0.01 and you're trading gold, you should have at least $1,000 in your account. Maybe 700.
I got you, Ruben. Let's check it out. Let's see it.
What happened?
I sent a chart in the chat.
Oh, okay, cool.
Cool. All right. So what am I looking at here? Are you looking for sells? Okay, but beyond this point right here.
Correct.
If it was to break this level, yes.
Yeah, because of clear traffic on the left-hand side.
Exactly. Yep. You have all this right here to work with. Exactly. So that break, some sort of retest, and then continue. Yep. That looks good.
All right. So be patient for the retest. Don't
For
go
sure.
on the break.
Be patient.
Be very patient. Now, sometimes you will have those impulses where it'll just continue pushing down. Now, that's when you start using your correlation on different time frames. Anything lower than the 15. So yeah, that's pretty much like when you see, say, the 15 minutes starting to break that level there.
Mm-hmm.
Go down to the 5 minute and see if the 5 minute has maybe a few seconds left, and if it is breaking that, there's enough momentum for it to continue. But again, the safest way is to wait for the retest. Yes, absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks,
But
guys.
that chart looks clean, man. Good shit.
This is good.
Thanks.
Man. This is great.
Yeah.
This when it's clear traffic like this, I wouldn't wait for the retest.
Yeah, it's just
right?
that's more than
Like
likely.
this is the exception. This because really, honestly, look at this. This is nothing. You're gonna have
Yeah.
traffic right here.
Yeah.
That's a runway.
Yeah,
Mhm.
exactly. That's a runway. So that's gonna be your only resistance. I don't know why it's not prime. Right?
Yeah. No, it looks good, dude. I like the markup. It's clean.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah.
Thanks to you guys.
Hey man, anytime, brother. Listen, hey, it's about you putting in the work, man. We show
Stay
it,
motivated.
but
Stay motivated.
yeah,
man.
it's about, we show it,
You
but
got
it's,
this, dude.
it's about you staying consistent with it, man. That's all. That's what it's about, bro. Yeah. But if anyone in the chat room, man, anyone on YouTube who wants us to look over your charts, anything like that, feel free to go ahead and send us a link. Send us like the trading view link, and we can just put it right here on the stream so we can break down the chart for you. You're more than welcome to. Alright, let's go over to let's see what's going on with GJ here. GU as well. What's that?
So they can send their. That's all you guys have to send,
Oh,
right? If you guys want to see my chart, my DJ chart, that's all you gotta put. GU. Can you go to the index?
Yeah.
Go to 4 or the 8 hour. Do you have the 8 hour?
Yeah.
Did it open above or what? What time did it open? Did it just open?
It just opened 30 minutes ago. Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't go down. We live in the States. It's not good.
Well, yeah. Well,
I
I
hope
mean,
so. It opened above, so hopefully it continues up. But if it continues down, that means GU is gonna go down.
no. If
Right?
if it goes down, that means GU goes up. It does the complete opposite because that drives the dollar. So obviously, then the pound will shoot up.
If the dollar's weaker, it makes the pound stronger.
It makes the pound stronger. Yes.
I just got.
Hey, thank you guys for that like. Thank you very much. Again, if you are enjoying the stream, to support the stream, if you guys can hit that like button, that'd be great. That would be awesome. And again, these streams are always saved onto the channel, so you're more than welcome to always come back and check out the stream again. God damn, fucking Jeff. Nice. How you doing, man? How you doing, Jeff?
Where's Jeff?
Jeff's in here. He's in the chat room on YouTube.
Mine's delayed. We're delayed.
On the tubes. What's up, man? How you doing? How's your night trading move?
There it is.
I'm chilling in bed, ready to see XRP play out. Is it back at is it back at entry level? What are you doing?
45, baby. 45. 45.
Buy
It's
some
coming.
more.
It's coming.
Some more XRP. I do have these marked up, don't I? There you go. Do you guys journal? Yes. So we do. After every trade, we do journal our trades. Yes.
Every trade is journal. Everything is journal.
Everything, yeah.
Everything is journal.
It's about to hit 43 again.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's do it.
How do you keep track of your trades, Fabian? Oh yeah, 45. Going to that 43.
Got 4. It's choppy, but it's there.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you wish you should have sold at 65 cents? And then just rebuy again?
Yeah.
Ouch. Imagine the people that don't understand crypto.
And
that
they're just buying
bought
because
Bitcoin at 20K.
and they're just buying because of the hype.
And
because they
just
hear
buying
about
because
it.
of the hype. Because that's what the news do,
Yeah.
right? Everybody's just doing it.
Not only that, but a friend of a friend of another friend
Yeah.
tells you buy some Ripple.
Man.
Tells you buy some more Ripple, man.
I know, man.
Have you heard of Notion.com? I have not. I actually is about to look into it. What is that exactly?
So what exactly is Notion?
Is that like
is that a journal?
Is that like my FX book?
No, I think it's like more like a journal, like a workspace.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Buying highs could never be me. Yeah.
My eyes could never be me.
Yeah, I mean, again, you do have a lot of people who are barely starting to learn about it.
You know, you guys are part of the 5% that know about crypto. That's it. I think people don't understand.
Nice rip, hell yeah, hell yeah. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Ripping shit.
Rip,
My
though.
bad, guys. I forgot to mute myself. Yeah.
Well, God damn, you dying over there, man. Shit. Like Victor was saying, man. Not many people know about it, but those who are just starting to learn are either buying the highs and they're being told hold.
Yeah.
Hold.
That's gonna suck.
Buy Bitcoin right now at 23,000.
Even though it's gonna go up for sure. Bitcoin has so much potential.
Yeah.
That it's gonna go up.
Yeah.
Even though Musk is talking shit about it, but low key, I bet you he has Ethereum and XRP.
He has to.
No, he says he doesn't own any. He said the only gift, his friend gifted him Bitcoin. That's the only reason he has it.
Yeah.
But he doesn't believe in it. Which, I mean, hey, listen. That guy's smart, obviously, right?
Obviously.
That guy's a hell of a, what would you call them? Because he's not a celebrity. I mean, he is now, but he's like a rock star, like a superstar rock star, right?
Yeah.
Like he's like a scientist that just happened to become a rock star. But dude, scientists do a lot of, trial and error, hypothesis, happy news. So you never know, man. You could be wrong.
I like it, Miguel. This is a good level here on the 1 hour. Obviously, here you can see you have some supply actually here, right? And so you taking that sell, that looks nice. Back down to this breakout. Is that what you're saying?
What is all those lines? Are you using fibs, Miguel?
I think it might be the fibs. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it is the fib because of the extension right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I like this area right here for a buy.
Somewhere around here. Yeah.
No, actually, I like this area right here. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can.
Yeah, well, this one I just circled. Yeah, that's the same one.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, I like it. That's my fib on the 1 hour. Yeah, man, I like the setup. That looks nice. I can see it here on Euro NZD. That's your last higher high being created there. Okay. This was the breakout, the retest. Come back and retest the high to then continue pushing back. Maybe more towards like this level right here.
Mm-hmm.
That could be your actual like long-term TP right there.
Nice.
I'm up 10 pips so far. Hell yeah, nice.
Are you
Nice.
shorting?
Yeah, he's took a sell on Euro.
Oh, took a sell. Okay, I
Back down
didn't. He's in the chat. Okay.
I like it, man.
Yeah. Hold to that level. If not the low, if that level breaks, then you're looking at the 170, 800.
Yeah, man, no problem. Hell yeah, anytime, dude. Anytime. I think you could also like get sign in through like the Aero Financial channel, and you can get like the chat going on like real time. That way you're not like backed up on the chat. I think you
Oh
should.
yeah, you could.
Yeah.
He's put tech, there's a listing.
Yeah,
It's like a millisecond.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just a millisecond. It's maybe 3 seconds delay.
Yeah.
It's fine. Hey, but who mentioned Notion? I went to the page. I kind of like it. What exactly and how exactly does it work? Is it just like notes on your iPhone type deal, but you can store them on the cloud? If Fabian used to here. Hey, for everybody just joining the stream, thank you guys. Please, if you like what you see, like, follow, subscribe, etc. In our bio, we have our mentorship. We have a free Telegram group that you guys can subscribe to. That way you guys can see, our technical analysis for the day. Maybe we'll send out a signal if we're not live. And every time we're live, we throw the link there if you guys are interested, as well as stay up on our social media. We post a lot of like motivational stuff, but we'll be doing a lot of technical analysis, fundamental, and we'll have a lot more videos coming to YouTube.
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah, I think, and this is not gonna be just Forex. I think we're gonna do a lot of lifestyle. Whether it's explaining IRA, explaining bonds, maybe you guys want to get into real estate. We'll be explaining that too. What's a good investment property, how to find out your net worth. Understand.
Did Aero record? Yeah. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah, I made sure of that. I remembered. I was like, yo, hell yeah. Yeah, it was a good trade too, man. It was early too. Early. We did not expect it to take off
as
that
soon
quick.
as we jumped in, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you have been on for a while.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, thank you. Subscribe to
Yes.
at least to the Telegram. Listen, the Telegram group is free, right? There's nothing to it. Obviously, here, like, subscribe if you can. You don't have to, obviously, but we're on Monday through Friday.
Yep.
Right. Everybody else's time. Our time is Sunday through Thursday, because we are in the West Coast, LA.
Yes, we are.
All right. So what is everybody doing for Christmas? Drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. What? Anybody got plans for Christmas? Where's everybody from? There's like 13 of you. Anybody doing anything cool? Just spending with the family, etc. Miguel said tamales. All right, that fool is Mexican. Heard. Tamales. Heard. I'm out.
Midget strippers.
What are you doing?
Midget strippers.
Midget strippers. All right.
That's the only way I'll be going to your place for Christmas, man.
Thanksgiving next year.
Yeah. For if I could bring some midget strippers, bro. That's the only way.
Some midget strippers. Heard. Hanging out with the family. Yeah, that's cool.
God damn it, Mario.
Miguel, where are you from? Where are you located? Not where you're from.
I'm from Vegas. I mean, hanging out with my family. You already know. Us Hispanics celebrated on the 24th.
Oh, for sure, for
So
sure.
on the 24th, chilling with fam. 25, probably nothing.
Yeah.
Eating the leftovers, man. That's what it is.
Oh, you're from
25th.
Vegas, nigga. That's awesome, bro. You're super close, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna go visit you one of these days. After COVID.
Soon, man. Soon. So, as soon as shit starts opening up, oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we
Oh,
do.
so tamales. What did you guys have tamales too, no? Like pastelitos that you guys call it like little cakes?
Let's do something down in the beer. Word. Oh yeah, of course, man. I'm with it. Yeah. No, hell yeah, dude.
Ay,
Should be-
tamales like español. That fool. Oh,
I ate them. Fucking guy.
It's too funny.
Alright, what is this exactly, Fabian? Let's see. Looks like he's sharing a link here with us. Hopefully there's nothing crazy. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so we got advanced self-review. What is this exactly? Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, so this is how you journal your trades.
Oh look, but he has a template there.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Back testing. What does this do exactly?
That's just like okay, cool.
Oh, okay. So you just kind of keep track of
it's just an
everything.
Excel sheet,
Yeah.
and you put your trades. That's
Right on.
cool.
Oh yeah. Go to the next one, which is forecasting. Okay.
That's good. Dude, listen. Just by looking at this, I already know you're gonna make it happen.
Okay, cool. All right. Let's see.
Just do like a
Okay,
overview.
that's dope. Oh, nice. That is awesome. Thank you for sharing this with us, man. That's great. Oh, yeah, that's cool. I'll definitely keep that open. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we have pasteles. I'm getting hungry, bro. That shit sounds good, man. I've been eating so bad, bro. Like it's terrible. Hey Victor, once it hits 12 a.m. on the 25th, dale un putazo a Ariel, but mi parte. Okay, Mario. Yeah, man. I've been eating so bad, dude. I haven't been able to go to the gym. We haven't had the time to go to the gym. Hopefully tomorrow we can make it happen.
Yeah.
I did go for a jog, like, before we got on live.
What happened?
I did go for a jog before we went on live.
Nice.
10 minutes.
10-minute jog. Hey, that's
10-minute
that's
jog,
all you
man.
need.
That's it.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Not for everybody, right? But for you, that works out.
I'm surprised y'all's gyms are open.
Bro, no, our gyms are closed. Bro.
Nah.
Everything
Yo, Aero,
indoor
let's
is closed.
You ain't
We're
about
like
it.
An hour away.
You don't want me to show people the video. I will put it on right now on the stream.
Hey. Look at GU instead.
Oh my god. No, my god. 40 minutes away.
10 minutes better than nothing? Hell yeah. 10-minute jog is pretty cool.
Oh,
Yeah. Hell yeah, it's great.
Which
I'll smoke
video?
you.
Jeff sweating. Have you seen that guy? Have you? What? Oh man, wait up. What's the?
Which video?
The guy that's like sweats.
Oh
like
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. It's some it's some GIF, right? Or
Yeah,
something
it's
like
some
that.
gift that he's
Yeah.
just like sweating.
Yeah.
Just sweating right now.
Nah,
You know.
Rafa ain't ready to rewatch that video again.
Smoke you.
Anyway, by any chance, anyone in any trades at the moment? I know Miguel, you're in a trade. Anyone else in any trades? Rafa, you still in the US 30 trade or you got out?
No, I got out.
Oh,
I
okay.
should have stayed, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
It just shut up just now. I was
Oh,
looking at
gotcha.
it right now. But no, I'm good, man. Like, I'm happy for today. Today
Yeah, no,
made more than what I expected.
that's awesome, man. Fuck yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, nothing. Hey, that's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Thought you was talking about the one I sent you. Nah, nah, man.
That's
Nah,
what I
we ain't
said.
talking- we ain't
It's a
talking
sweating
about that
gift.
one, bro. We ain't talking about that one, bro. Don't worry. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Like I said, this could be based off of the 1 hour. It could be probably like your TP right there, which not sure where your entry is, but that's another good 30, close to 30 pips off of that move right there. So that looks nice.
You look at US 30.
Is it taking off? Let's see.
I get in at 341.99.
You got in again?
No,
Oh.
no, that was the trade I took.
Oh, okay.
341 and 99.99.
Nice, dude. Fuck yeah.
49.
That's a badass.
Yeah.
That's a badass entry, dude. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Euro New Zealand is tanking.
Yeah, that's the one that Miguel's on right now.
And that was a nice little double top right there too.
On that 15, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what am I looking at here? Let me see.
Yeah, that means NU is probably going up right now.
And you? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, let me grab the whole link. Unless I do this, but nope, never mind. Oh, damn it. Oh, there you go.
Hey, wait. Go to Ian. Go to Ian.
Ian's on.
I'm looking at your screen. It looks good.
I moved it to there. What, the TP?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in for GU for the buy.
GU for the buy.
I think the EN for a quick 18 pips is not a bad trade right now. At minimum, it will be 18 pips.
EN. Let's see. EN right here.
For the sell, right?
For
For the sell, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then continue.
I've been looking at it, bro. I'm even anticipating right now the way it's going at like 40 pips, man.
Oh
Hopefully.
no, for sure. But like for sure, you'll get 18 pips. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because it's as soon as it hits that 72484, that it's gonna have some sort of
Struggle.
it's gonna struggle to break that support. By you break that support, then your next area is 72,327, right? 72,327, and then we break that, then we're coming back down to 7,200.
Yep.
I got it ready here just in case.
There's nothing else to it.
Yeah, looks like GU is also pushing up, which is good because that's telling you that the pound is stronger than the euro. So, so there's reason as to why this is pushing up higher as well. So that should be good. Anyone looking for buys on GU or GJ or anything like that, that looks pretty good. Any euro pairs looks good for sells at the moment as well. This is what my chart looks like. All right, let's see it. I'm done with the trade if you are.
For yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, nice. This is a 4-hour time frame, yep. Yeah, it looks good, man. That's a solid rejection there, especially on that 4-hour. Yeah. Oh yeah. Especially if it closes like that. I mean, there's just still enough time for it, but it should be a nice trade.
I'm just waiting for EN to break those lower lows for me to hop in.
Let's go over to our MT4 real quick.
Yeah, I think it will go in, no?
Yeah.
I think if we go in now.
Now?
No, wait up.
Yeah.
No, I'm looking at it. Because their stop loss would have to be. Looking at the 15-minute, I would like for it to breathe. But I would want to see if you look at the 1 hour. Let me tell you. I would like to see one 72622 broken before jumping in. No. I'm looking at TradingView and I'm using FXCM. So I'm looking at 1 hour and I would like for that to be broken because for sure, looking at the 1 hour, it's gonna give you for sure 18 pips. It's on TradingView will be more like on 20, but you gotta think of the spread, right?
Correct.
So,
I hate the spread.
Yeah.
Spread's not too bad. It's set at 3.4 right now on Hugo's way.
Yeah, they've been trying to convince me to move over to a KOT.
Okay. I mean,
cool.
yeah, no wrong with that.
Because of the spreads. But I mean, I started with Hugo's way, and I feel comfortable with Hugo's way. So
At the end of the day, it's just a broker. KO, the king of what? King of trading. Yeah, king of trading. Who's that? Is that Q's?
KOTX?
Yeah, KOT is Q bench, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean, it's still good. We have, there's two traders and there's two students that use
KOT. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You see how, if you look at the 1 hour, the rejection that happened there, right? So now that's what I'm waiting for. A lot of people buying.
And then TP would be that one. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I think the thing is that if we were to take the EN trade, for sure, we'll, those after those 13 pips, that's when we'll start seeing a lot of struggle. Yeah, could be wrong, and it'll just be quick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but anybody that's been here with us since since the beginning, there's no reason to like jump on a trade and try to get on another one because you already made that money, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So you gotta think about what's gonna happen. The probability of you winning this trade is only 70%. It sounds high, but it's not.
Like Raja says, no over trading, right?
Yeah, exactly. No overtrading.
Yeah, so this would be like our second trade.
Exactly.
If we win this one, we probably more than likely would call it after here.
Yeah. And if we don't take a trade, then we're not,
Yeah.
we're not
Well,
we're not in a rush to take the trade.
Mhm.
We're not chasing the market. This is just something that you guys send out. That hey, it looks good. It looks good.
Oh yeah, we take trades all the time.
Yeah.
If you guys send ideas,
that 1 hour is about to close in 6 minutes, so we'll see
Yep.
how it looks. But if that 1 hour opens below, right, on the pullback, we sell.
yeah. If you guys ever send ideas through the chat or through YouTube, and if we like them, then we'll take the trades with you guys. Absolutely, 100%. Because you guys may be seeing something that we might not be seeing at the moment, right? So if it makes sense, it makes sense.
Which is pretty common because we look,
Yeah.
we look at GJ, GU pretty much,
Mhm.
just because we're trained in London session, right? But if you guys trade here with us, London session, GJ or GU, and you go, you trade, you learn with us, etc., whatever, or just look at our trades. When you make that switch to trade GJ on NY, it'll be a lot easier.
Yeah.
Because you'll be used to the volatility that it has during London Open, right? Because it's this first 3 hours, 9 to 11.
Yep.
It's just like everywhere else. They gotta take a break, man. They gotta go get the tea and biscuits.
Yep. Yep.
Tea and biscuits.
Team biscuits.
Yeah.
GA shorts.
Which one?
GA. GPAUD. Let's go ahead and look at it.
Oh, let's do it. Man, I haven't looked at that pair in a while.
I actually have it on my watch list. Okay, I see what you're seeing here. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, I can see it. Maybe.
You're still on the
yeah,
on the MT4 though.
Oh, I'm on the MT4. Oh,
Yeah.
but like on the Zoom. Let's see. There you go. Alright. Yeah, I see it. But also keep in mind of like the level you just retested here on GA. So
No, that's the demand. Cool.
yeah, exactly. So this whole area right here. You know what I mean? So be very mindful of that because this level here on the 4 hour can definitely be broken. So
Actually,
let's see.
if it breaks 77,921, which would be if you're looking at the 4 hour,
Yeah, that's it.
it's coming up. It's gonna keep pushing, and you're looking at 78,300, right? 78,350 around that area. And if that breaks, if that's respected, then yeah, for sure it'll go down.
Yeah.
But I don't see it not being respected. So I think the safe the safer short will be 78,450 around that area. But I mean, you can get it with. I mean, it's GA. You can get a quick, 20, 30 pips and call it a day on that short. Right now your channel is from 77,920 to 77,100, and because it's GA, you're looking at 67 pips.
Yeah, if you look at the weekly time frame, look at all these retests here, this entire area here. It's definitely a strong level. So yeah, I would be very careful with this one. But like Victor was saying, yeah, you can catch a quick short because it's GA. It provides those kind of pip movement for sure. So yeah, but other than that, I mean, yeah, I would be careful with that one. Ian retracing to make a lower high on the M5 before making a lower low. All right, let's go back to Ian real quick.
Yeah, I can see that. I would like to short EN depending on price action, how it starts moving within the next hour at 72,900. Hopefully we can get it from over there. But that 1 hour is about to close in 22 seconds. So we'll probably see an aggressive move to the downside or to the upside real quick. I'm assuming to the upside just because that's what it's been doing. But then we can possibly short.
Alright, let's go back to Ian real quick.
Open below, that's good. It's gonna go back up for a little bit and then we can short. Get that wick feel.
Alright. Hey, those of you guys who are new, thank you for coming in. If you don't know, we do stream every single night from Monday through Friday. Monday through Thursday. Around the same time. Sunday through Thursday.
We're in the east. We're in the west coast.
We're in the West Coast,
so
yeah.
it might be Monday through Friday for you guys.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we're on every night, and we're on for a few hours. We do take trades live, so you guys can always see our own progress at the same time. But we're also at the same time we try to analyze as much as we can any trades that you're looking into, anything anywhere we can help to kind of clarify some things. If you're confused about something, just let us know. And again, if you do like the stream, man, please give us that like. Thanks for the info, bro. Much love. Oh yeah, absolutely, 100%. Anytime, bro. Anytime.
And just like Aero said, questions, concerns, analysis, ideas, they're all welcome. We want to see them. We want to, we want you to interact. We want you to have, we want you to have fun too, right? Not only do we want to make sure that you guys make money, we also want to make sure that you guys are learning, that you guys are having fun while you're learning. Because if staring at the charts can get pretty boring sometimes. Yeah. Although I could be wrong because I like staring at the charts.
I do too.
I get anxiety though. Anything under 5 minutes, I get anxiety. I don't like it. Anything under 15 minutes, I don't like it.
Yeah, for sure. But you gotta have like the passion for it, man. Honestly, like you gotta be in it for the right reasons, you know. So, like if you're out here just chasing money to make a quick buck, it might work out for you, but it might not in the long run. You're right because you're not dedicated enough, and you're just chasing the market at that moment. Yeah, you're bound to blow your account. You're bound to, you know, be close to give up, all that good stuff, you know. And but honestly, man, if you're passionate enough to really understand and try to master your craft, you know, this is good, you know.
Yeah. We're traders, not gamblers. Remember that.
Yep.
Our job as traders is to protect their capital.
Yeah. Our job is not to be correct. Our job is to make money, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And sometimes, dude,
it's okay if you're wrong. Yeah, it's okay if you're wrong.
Of course.
Like,
Listen, and this, I think we were talking about this earlier in the stream.
Yeah.
But listen, if you are right 60% out of the time, you will be successful.
Yeah.
In this business, everybody that's a millionaire, right? Everybody that's in Wall Street, everybody that has a business, right? Whether it's a corporation, a S corp, a LLC, or a small business, whatever. As long as you're right 60% of the time, you will be successful. You are not perfect. No one is perfect. You don't have to be right 100% of the time. Most of the time, you know, most of the times we don't take risk, we don't take opportunities because we think too much about it. Don't think, just act, right? And you know, whenever an opportunity comes to you, don't think, just act, and then figure out whether you made the right decision later on. But don't never miss an opportunity. But definitely, you guys have to have fun. You have to have fun, especially in this business. You got to make this live streams fun, man. You know, we're here. Obviously, we're here to talk about Forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, indexes. What, you know, but I mean, you know, you guys want to learn about real estate. You guys want to learn, you know, about, you know, finding out what your net worth is, or knowing what are liability assets, or just any question you guys have in general, you guys can drop it off. And as long as we're not in a trade live, you know, we're more than welcome to help you with your, you know, with the fundamentals, with the technical analysis, and any
because we're in a trade.
News. Maybe you're just wondering. You're looking at Forex Factory and you look and it says final GDP Q&Q and you don't know what it is. Ask. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
We can help you.
Yeah, because we're in a trade. Things are a little different when we're in a trade. Blood's boiling. I'm here, you know, clenching certain things. It's just how it is, man.
I like the 15 minute, the way it's going.
Yeah.
I like the wick.
Mm-hmm. The rejection.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I like that rejection. On the 5 minute, it looks good. It's a lot of sellers are coming in. Right. So let's see what that volume does. But I want to see the 15 minute. I want to see the 15 minute break its own low, and then if the 15 minute was to break its own low, we can possibly enter, right? And then just have a really tight stop loss and with its own high. But ultimately, what we're waiting for is for that level that Aero has marked up to break. That's the easy trade.
Yeah. Yeah, because at that point you have enough momentum, enough sellers to keep pushing price down.
Look at that. into the 900. So can you move your length to that a little bit up?
This one here?
Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, and down. Right there, and that open and close.
Oh, 900. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
To the open and close of the candles.
Right here.
That's So we coincide. So with support and resistance, that's SNR trading, and fibs, right? Because if we're looking at supply. Yeah, if we're looking at supply don't look that nice. Supply is pretty huge. Let's see. I like this mix.
What, the song? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they've been on point today. I don't know. The live stream here has been on point.
What happened?
The music has been on point.
Yeah, it's been great.
Yeah. Anyone who is watching right now, drop where you guys are from. Anyone new who hasn't mentioned it, where are you guys from? Where are you guys watching from?
Jeez. Alright, well that's playing out. I'm gonna go back to DJ. Oh, look at DJ, jeez. So indecisive.
Oh, is it playing that game right now?
Yeah, it's consolidating at this point. It's tug of war. Yeah, it's tug of war. At this point, GJ is just stuck between the channel. No clear trade on GJ until we break 139.200. GJ breaks 139.200. You guys can buy. GJ breaks 138.700. You guys can sell.
Hey, thank you guys for that like. We appreciate the support. Jay from Miami, Florida. Hey, welcome in, man. How you doing? That's definitely, 4 a.m. for you out there? You barely getting up? Probably gonna catch that New York session, huh?
Yeah. Catch that New York session. Catch that pre-New York.
Pre-New York, yeah.
All right, fellas, I'm about to call it a night.
Oh yeah, it's late for you.
Yeah, bro. I caught 26 pips.
Hey.
I'm happy with that, bro.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
up.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome,
Yep.
bro.
Thank you guys for everything, fellas.
Absolutely.
I'll definitely
No.
be seeing y'all later tonight. I'm guessing, yeah, later tonight.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. We'll be on here.
All right, and then Aero, I'll be hitting you up a little bit later this morning.
Okay, sounds good, man.
All right,
All right,
perfect,
brother.
guys. Thank you for everything.
Sounds good, man. Have a good night, bro.
Take care, brother.
Later. All right. Oh yeah.
Hey
Yeah,
Jay, are you still here? What part of Miami are you from?
Hey, 17 viewers. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's awesome. Yeah. Thank you guys again for chilling in here, man. This is awesome. Glad you guys are liking the vibes.
We're looking at EN at the moment because one of our viewers, just sent that in and it looks good.
Yeah.
It looked good at the time. Now it's just gonna take forever.
Now I'm just.
No, but I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm thinking though, like, now is it gonna take its time into NY?
Yeah. And plus,
Awesome.
we usually trade GJ, guys. But GJ's consolidating at this point. So, we traded earlier, catch 20 pips. Why doesn't the thing stay?
I don't know. It like
You gotta put it on YouTube.
It like deletes all like.
You know what you gotta do? You gotta do a text on OBS.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah,
True.
we'll,
Okay.
we'll do that later.
Okay, I should
Next
do that
time.
right now.
Nah, it's fine.
Check it out. I'll do it right now. It's easy. Quick.
Oh, is it? Alright, cool. So, like we were saying earlier, it is it's holiday season. You know, like lots of bank holidays, and markets are not gonna have the same volatility that they would, you know, on a regular or a regular Tuesday, regular Wednesday, exactly. So, at the same time, there's going to be certain pairs that are going to be highly volatile. Like, for example, if there's a bank holiday in Japan, but you have Brexit news, then you have GJ that's going to be highly volatile, right? You're going to have UJ that's highly volatile, right? So you have to be careful. This is the times where you have to be careful. But if you learn to you really discipline yourself, then I mean you'll be good to go. You'll be golden, right? Hey, Miami Lakes.
Miami
nice.
Lakes. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Nice. We are both originally from Orlando.
Hotlando, man. Orlando, yes.
Orlando.
I think yen will go to 1.73 thousand before turning around and coming back down.
7.3 now.
Okay, you're talking about like that breakout right there?
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
That's good. That's a good one.
Let's put that line right there. All right. Jay, what pairs do you normally trade?
And how long have you been trading?
Yeah, let's see how this level reacts here.
Oh, excuse me.
Hey, thank you for that like. We appreciate that. We appreciate the support.
Guys, read the description. Read the description. If you guys have need a second opinion, your analysis. If you guys just have any questions, concerns about Forex, crypto, stocks, indexes, commodities, just anything in general, real estate, just let us know. You know, especially right now that we're waiting for the market to get to where we want it, right? Because we don't chase trades, right? You always gotta let the market come to you. You gotta stick to your trading plan. We're not gamblers, right? We take calculated risk. So whatever, you know, questions, concerns, etc., drop them in the chat, you know, let us know. And our schedule is in the descriptions. We do have a mentorship, whether it's a one-on-one or an online course. Our online course has over 50 hours of content, and it's not, you know, we seen everybody's online course. We see Astro Effects, Q Banks, Carter. We see Daniel Savage, Lambo Raul, Ryan. You know, I mean, and we Wix Online. From, you know, we don't have to tell you. You can ask the students in the free group chat that we have. The link is in the bottom. It's decent. I mean, I'm being modest. No, it's really great.
Yeah.
It's really great. You know, it's not boring at all. It's very interactive. You're gonna learn a lot of new content. You're gonna learn a lot that you're usually not taught, right? Lots of fundamentals, lots of TA, right? Everybody usually has lots of TA, but nobody really explains to you the fundamentals, right? So we go deep into the fundamentals, into institutional trading so on to so on, what really supply and demand is, because at the end of the day, supply and demand is what drives the market, right? It's what drives the world in general. So if you guys want to learn, or you guys looking for a one-on-one mentorship, we have the link down there. We use Ugo's Way. You guys don't have to use Ugo's Way. We just have the referral link. But definitely, if you guys are skeptical about what you guys are seeing, or if you guys enjoy the chat, follow us on IG, follow the free group chat on Telegram, subscribe, like. Everything is highly appreciated. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no facts. Thank you guys, man.
Nice, Jay.
Hell
That's
yeah,
awesome.
word. So you guys are originally from Orlando. What made you guys come out to LA? I thought y'all were from LA.
Nah, bro.
So
Forex, bro.
It's man. You know what it was? 2 years ago, we're in Orlando. We were at a bar. Me and
It's
Victor.
a little bit longer.
Yeah, it's a little bit longer than that. Yeah, and
Because
we
you
always-
lived over there a year. We've been here a year.
yeah, we always had the idea of getting out of Orlando. Not that Orlando's bad. It's just it's all we've ever known, and so it's just good to get out, right? It's good to go and venture out and gain new perspectives, right? And so, yeah, man, we made the jump out to LA, and 2 to 3 years later, we met up in LA, and we made it happen, right? So this is what we do. This is what we do every day.
Yeah.
So yeah, LA's been great so far. Just the fact that everything's shut down, you can't really enjoy it. But yeah, it's a good. Yeah, once things do, like I've seen LA when it's opened up, and it's fucking great. But
Facts.
but we have to wait that out. Nasdaq, US30, and EJ. I've been trading like a year almost. Okay, that's cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, man. That's great.
Well,
Yeah.
Jay, who did you learn from, or are you just learning from like YouTube and looking at random like things online, etc.?
Yeah, we've been trading for like a good 5 years.
Based in LA. Just
Yeah,
moved to Las
5 years.
Vegas in June this year. I wish I was there. I kick it with you guys. Hey, don't listen.
Hell yeah.
Just because of COVID, bro. But
Yeah.
if not, and we'll be in Las Vegas like at least once a week. Just go chill for the weekend. Just go for the weekend.
Yeah,
and
we're
come
just
back.
like 4 hours away now, and like
Yeah.
driving or just taking a flight. Don't matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. No, LA's cool.
Yeah, LA's dope.
Yeah.
I'm kicking now.
I'm kicking it now.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, that's good, man.
We're gonna hit you up next time we're in Vegas.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Oh, for sure, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you.
Yeah,
We're actually we're a
Oh,
little
yeah.
bit different
100%,
than
dude.
a lot of these people, if you guys are familiar with to me, one of the best traders there is, publicly, right, would be Roger, because his transparency is
yeah.
incredible. So
he's
that's
cool.
something that we want to do too. Listen, if your mentors are not trading live with you, they're not showing you your losses. They're only showing, flashy cars and clothes, and they're only winning. There's something wrong there, right? So we take L's.
We take
Knock on wood, we haven't taken an L in a long time, but
Well, actually, no. We took one yesterday in the stream, but it wasn't bad. Like we cut it.
Oh, that was a mistake.
Yeah, that was a mistake.
He put sell instead of buy.
No, no.
No, he put
it was
buy
a
instead of sell.
Instead of
Yeah,
buy
by
sell,
mistake.
something like that.
We were doing like 20 things at once.
But even when we take a loss, you know, we're able to understand when we're wrong. So we'll cut our loss a lot sooner. You know, we don't let our losses run. So you know, I think the last loss we had was just like it was probably like negative 6-7 pips or something like that. Where the following trade went for about 20 pips. You know what I mean? So it's all very calculated. It's calculated risk. We know when we're ready to get out of a trade, and yeah, we cut our losses sooner than anything. So
For sure, you gotta know your exit strategy.
yeah,
That's probably the most underrated
okay.
class in Forex.
Yeah.
Knowing your exit strategy.
Jay, so actually, like that's yeah. I mean, I took that same exact route. That's how I started as well. With Q as well. Now again, I started with YouTube, then I went to Q, and I actually took his like 5-day in-person course. Now it was a great course. Don't get me wrong, it was a great course. I learned a lot. But even after that, I felt like I still needed more, right? Because like I not everything was clarified enough for me, and that's when I did a lot more research, bro. Like everything with like institutional trading, you know, supply and demand, how Victor talks about, like all that, man. Like that I kind of took it upon myself to continue learning even after that, right? And I guess, you know, taking that course was just like the start of it to help me understand really like the science behind it, really the terminology and all that good stuff, right? But at that point, now you just expand a little more into learning by yourself or invest in other courses that may clarify more things for you. You know what I mean? So I think it's always best for you to invest in your education, you know, always. And so yeah, man. But that's good that you're like, you know, you're learning. You learn from somebody who's, you know, again, he's doing great. Like he's fucking awesome. But yeah. I'm in GU sell, EJ sell. GU sell, EJ sell. Let's see that. Oh, you're currently in a sell on GU, right? And then EJ as well. Okay, EJ, I can definitely see that happening though. GU, possibly. Correlates a little bit with GJ as well. So GJ, I'm kind of looking at certain levels here to be broken as well, but I don't know. I think hopefully we don't see any of this consolidation going on here. We can just see some sort of breakout, but yeah. Yeah, EJ looks nice.
Ooh, AJ looks nice. That's a nice drop.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a 15-minute. That's still decent.
Stuart, what do you guys think about GJ right now, please? Welcome in, man. Yeah, so on GJ, we're in some sort of consolidation right now. We ended up taking a buy on GJ earlier. Played out really nicely. But there's certain levels that I want to see broken here. So if we do break this 139, let's just call it, 200 area.
Yeah.
That also represents the last Tokyo high as well. So if we do end up breaking that level, we can go up to these highs up here, which also represents the previous daily high. So that would be the 139,500 area.
Which will completely close the gap.
Yeah, it would completely close, exactly. It would completely close the gap. Not only that, but you have all this liquidity as well as to where the market can potentially just collect all these orders and push up to these highs.
Plus, we will be coming from where the market really fell. That 139,800 is where the market really fell from the 20th, right?
Yeah.
So that's 2 days ago. So we're coming back up to those highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, but right now there's no clear trade. Right now, if you enter a GJ trade, I believe it will be gambling.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Right now we're stuck in the channel.
Just wait. I would like you said, I would wait for some sort of break right here, because at that point, more than likely, you will continue to see these highs again. Yo, I took the same course as you, Q. Oh yeah, that's right. I do remember you mentioning that. Yes, you did.
Then went to the final.
Yeah.
I needed more, so this year stopped messing around. Took the wrong card schools and it completely.
Yeah, so that's again, that's a lot of like clarity. Like you sometimes you have to take other courses to really find that like edge, right? And so I had to do the same. I had to find a few other courses as well, dude. I invested in my education, and then again after that though, like I understood so much, but like I ended up learning more from really understanding the science behind supply and demand, dude. Like it's that's what kind of did it for me, and really understanding price action, really understanding how institutional trading goes about like on a day-to-day basis. What caused such a quick move yesterday? I caught it by luck. It moved a lot of pips fast.
Which one?
Yesterday? Oh, okay, like yesterday morning, right? So that's a level that we're all looking at. On the 4-hour time frame, you'd be able to see that it actually came down to this low right here, retested it to then continue pushing up higher.
GJ,
yeah.
The lockdown, bro.
Yeah, so that and yeah, exactly that, and obviously here like this low here. So if you would have had maybe a level here marked up, maybe an alert, again, you would have been able to find your trade based off of that technical analysis there. Do you want to help me with my entry? Yeah, dude. No, for sure. I know exactly what you mean. Yeah, GJ. So, yeah, that's that. And again, also if you look at the monthly time frame, dude, the monthly time frame is bound to start breaking out of its own like consolidation. So, any pullback at the moment is a good opportunity to just buy, right? So, and if you notice here, we are in a big consolidation here on this 4-hour time frame. So, we have to break out of this consolidation. Yeah, but it pushed it up. It pushed up GJ.
Yeah, because of what I was having. No Brexit deal means though.
That's what I'm doing.
Yo, I bought more Bitcoin.
You bought Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Through like Forex or through Coinbase?
No, I did it through Coinbase.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 22,000.
Yeah, I bought more. We'll see.
Yeah.
I got out of Ripple completely. I got out. I broke even, to be honest.
Okay.
And I'm just moving into the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has like a lot more potential.
True, but it's still coming down. Right, so just.
Well, this is this is a level that it's holding. I'm assuming
right,
this is
a
where
little
we're
too
looking
high.
at, right?
Right now it's a little too high, so just keep in mind that that's gonna come down. Bitcoin's gonna touch 8K again, right? Because that's just the way it works, right? Supply and demand. But obviously, it'll come back up to the 24K, 25K, because it needs to.
Yeah, if it goes back to 24, I'm out.
Yeah. Thanks for the feedback, lads. Appreciate the time. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you for chilling in here with us, man.
Stuart, where are you from?
But Rafa, I'm assuming you were looking at this level here on the 4-hour, right? 4 hours.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice. What part, brother?
England? Oh yeah, nice.
US 30 is calling my name right now. For that.
What are you looking for here on the buy or
Look
sell?
where's that. Look what's it at in the 30 minute. Oh man, that sell looks nice right now.
Is there a one?
That sell looking scrumptious. That's what Christian says.
Oh, scrumptious. I don't know, I like that. Yeah, okay. It actually is that easy with US 30 though, for sure. That shit will happen within 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And you blow your account.
I don't know. We're trying to blow shit right now.
Nah.
Okay, it actually closed on that level there that you were talking about, Miguel. On Euro NZD.
Oh, I forgot we were looking at that.
Or at least a 15-minute, yeah.
Alright guys, I am gonna call it a night.
You wanna call it a night?
Yeah, I think I might call it a night too.
I'm thinking about it, yeah. It's getting late. 1:30, I gotta be up early.
Yeah. Alright guys, good night.
Have a good night,
Good
bro.
night, man. Take it easy, bro. Deep trouble. Like your charts.
Thank
Look slick. Yo, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Where you from, man? Welcome in. Yeah, we like not we tend not to
UK.
clutter our charts too much. The UK, nice man. Welcome in, dude. What time is it over there for you guys?
10,
It's like
10:30?
10:30 a.m.
10:30, right? Or is it 11:30? Yeah, no, it's 10:30. 9:30. Ah, that's close.
9:30 a.m. So you're just waking up, huh? That's awesome. Do you normally trade these hours? New York session? What do you Ireland?
Ireland, hey,
Hey,
welcome,
Brian,
welcome.
welcome in. Yeah, hell yeah, welcome in, guys. That's awesome. Yeah, we're in LA. We're in nothing special about LA, but I mean it's cool. But
LA, baby.
yeah, I mean it's not as exciting as like saying Ireland or UK, man. Like
Nah, LA is beautiful. Because
It
they
is,
probably
it
say
is.
the same thing about us.
It's-
I love Ireland, Brian. Been there a couple times, man.
I haven't yet. That's definitely a place I want to see or visit. It's not along with the UK as well. Yeah. Yeah, man. How are you guys doing in Ireland, man? Everything? Are you guys closed down? Are you guys open? We know how the UK is doing. But how's Ireland? Good stuff, Guinness. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What part of Ireland are you from, Brian? Lockdown? Yeah, that.
Lockdown too? Damn. The whole world in lockdown right now, man. Not much we can do, but hope that this thing's over soon. Hey, did you go outside and see Jupiter and Saturn align?
I did. Yeah, I did.
Did you see it?
Yesterday, yeah. But right now you can't see it.
No.
50 miles
Rates are
south.
climbing up. What time is it for you guys? It's 1:36 a.m. our time here.
Y'all think there's gonna be a COVID 20? Miguel, that was yesterday news, fool.
50
There's
miles.
a COVID 21 strain in England and the UK around there now. That's why they went into a tier 4 lockdown. Brian, 50 miles south of Dublin. All right, cool. I was in Dublin for 3 weeks. It was nice. It was beautiful. I was working there last year.
County Wicklow Garden, Ireland. That sounds cool, man.
Oh,
I've
nice.
seen that coming out everywhere. Yeah, dude. No, it's serious. It's so serious. But you know what? Now, what is it? So there's 500. I'm sorry. Actually, you know what? I saw the stats earlier today, but
What?
let me see the vaccines. People getting vaccinated here in the U.S. How many people? It's like
I don't know.
vaccines.
I don't know. There's 300 million. The population is 300 million. You have to get vaccinated twice, so we would need close to around 700 million vaccines. That's not gonna happen.
556,000 people have received their dose of vaccine.
556,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so less than a million.
Yeah. Wow.
Less than a million. That's gonna take a while, for sure.
Let's see. All right, bro. But remember last year around this time is when we started hearing about COVID-19. Then March it hit. Maybe same thing will happen. What if it hits the U.S. in March?
That would be insane. I think we're more protected than we were before. Like, if you notice, not a lot of people are getting the flu this year.
Yeah.
Mainly, obviously, because of the lockdowns, but because a lot of people are taking the sanitary precautions, right? If you're sick now, you don't go to work. I mean, most of the people are unemployed, right? But if you are an essential worker, you're taking those sanitary precautions. You're wearing the mask, you have the gloves. If you're sick, you don't go to work because of the fear of having the COVID. So, I think it's not gonna hit us as hard. Here's the issue: if the new strain is found that it's stronger than COVID-19 and it has built the antibodies, the only issue I see would be that now the vaccine would not work for COVID-21.
Yeah.
So now we will have to wait. So now we're looking at a worldwide, turmoil per se, right? And there's a lot of people, I know, like, I don't know how it is in the UK and stuff over there, but here, some people don't believe it's real. Some people believe it's like government and whatnot, and it could be. Don't get me wrong. It could definitely be, some sort of conspiracy, but I don't know. There's like over 1.5 or 1.6 million people dead worldwide. I think it's like 300,000 in the USA alone. Stuart, I just saw yes.
Yeah, we will be on for London session for sure. Yeah.
We stream London session.
Mm-hmm.
For us, it's Sunday through Thursday. For you, it's Monday through Friday. Yeah. So we'll see what happens with the pandemic. Whether it's a conspiracy, whether government or whatever. Listen, whatever it is, it's affecting us, right? It's affecting us day to day. Thankfully, we're in the business that we make money every day, and that we don't need any, we don't need that 9 to 5. But we have a lot of friends that are struggling, to keep their business alive, and it's tough watching them go through that struggle. So now more than ever, I believe is the best time to invest in learning a new skill set, right? We were talking about this earlier. Day trading is definitely the most underrated career at the moment, right? It's only Forex has only been around for like 10 years, right? To retail traders like us, so there's so much potential, that we haven't even hit, the tip of the iceberg. It's so underrated. There's definitely a lot of potential, but with that being said, the more popular it gets, the more regulation is going to happen, right? So eventually, there'll be regulation within the next 5 years, especially if it picks up. So, listen, take advantage for everybody that's listening. Take advantage, learn a new skill set. Really get yourself a mentor. Don't try to learn on your own. I mean, you can. Don't get me wrong, but definitely get yourself a mentor. And it doesn't have to be us or whatever. We do. Just invest in yourself. Don't be afraid to take risks. You're one risk away from changing your life.
Yep.
Don't be afraid to sacrifice, right? Like, let me rephrase that. You have to be willing to sacrifice who you are at this moment in time, right now, to who you could potentially be, right? You have to be willing to sacrifice who you are at this moment to be who you could potentially be, to reach your ultimate potential, right? So make it happen.
Absolutely, 100%.
Make it happen. Definitely learn, and you know, you guys already took the first step. If you guys are here, right, or you guys watch, you guys watch the streams, then you guys already know. You guys are already ahead of probably 90%, if not 95% of the world, right? Because you're taking those precautionary steps that you're like, okay, this happened, I need to learn, I want to learn, or maybe you're just curious, but that, curiosity can lead, to great things, and at the same time, training is not for everybody. Trading is actually very easy. It's probably the easiest job we ever had. Managing your emotions is what's hard. Managing your emotions, learning how to control fear and greed is the most difficult part of trading. But once you learn how to manage that, right? Once you understand, and for you to learn how to manage your fear and greed, you have to understand proper risk management. Once you understand proper risk management and you learn how to control your emotions, you're set. There's nothing that can stop you. So definitely make that happen, guys. You guys can do it. I think for now, though, we're gonna have to wait to that New York, the pre-NY, because it's, unless we break this real quick and we're going to retouch that Tokyo high, then there'll be a good opportunity to sell that. It's not looking likely.
Yeah, especially not right now. Looks like we might be end up getting some volume right around that pre-NY session, so we might.
We're still consolidating.
Yeah.
Because there's a 5 minute, guys. So just look at it. But if you go to the 1 hour area.
Yeah, that should continue. That looks pretty. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah.
So for anybody watching, if you're gonna be on for pre-London, pre-NY, sorry, if it opens above that, or if it breaks, if it opens above the close of the 1 hour, or if it starts breaking the previous high, then it's definitely a good opportunity to buy. Right, your stop loss will have to be the bottom of the consolidation, but it's definitely a decent opportunity, at least to catch a couple pips. And I'm assuming that we're gonna be filling those wicks, but it's, you just have to be careful because you have the Tokyo high, right, and then you have the daily high there, but by that time you're already 30 pips.
It's a good 40 pip move. If the market does end up breaking these levels here, we'll have some sort of obviously the breakout to then continue would be filling in these orders here, but you also have this breakout right here, which you can see. I think there's a 1 hour time frame, so obviously you see some consolidation going on here. The breakout, this was a retest, so this could be potentially again that area that we can shoot right back up to.
Yeah. Plus, a lot of people trade gaps, so it's gonna get close. That wick didn't close it.
Not only that, but again, if you have a lot of people looking at these levels here around the world, it's like, oh, you know what, we're gonna sell from this area, or probably this area right here, right? And so what do institutions normally do? Well, they push up price to collect these orders, right? And you have people just setting stop losses. So they stop everybody out. And now they're collecting all these orders to then push either price right back down or continue the price pushing upward. So you definitely gotta watch out. But if once you see this breakout right here, it should look nice. I mean, that should be a nice quick 40 pip move. 20 for sure. Anywhere from 20 to 30 for sure, but that should be a nice clean move.
Yeah, the ultimate move, the big short comes from 140 400. That's the ultimate short.
Yeah, it's all the way up here. Yeah. That's a short. That's what we're expecting, right? So again, that's the channel that's been created from 140 400 to 137. That's what we've been trading for the past couple of weeks. So we just recently, yesterday, touched 137, and we shut up, right? Because that was, I think Stuart, it was you who was asking, I believe. Somebody was asking what happened with GJ, why it shot up. Well, it touched demand. We trade some to some, supply and demand, and it touched demand. And although, the COVID lockdown in UK pushed it down aggressively, at the end of the day, you have your market orders that are there, which are your demand, and when you have institutional and financial and some retail traders placing their market orders there, it's going to respect your fundamentals. It's going to respect the technical analysis. No matter what kind of news, it would have to be severe news, right, for a monthly demand to break. So that now we're coming back up to touch that the 140 400, and this would be the third touch. It will be the third touch. So there's a possibility to be broken, but we do have a weekly level of resistance at 141 100. So those are levels that you guys have to watch out for. But I think I think that's gonna be it for until pre-NY. Yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm out for the night. It's been real. Thank you for everything. Absolutely, man. Have a good night, dude.
Good night,
Thank you for stopping by.
Sure.
We appreciate the vibes, man. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the stream. I am actually gonna get off though. Are you gonna get off?
Yeah, I'm getting off.
Yeah. We've been on here for about
2 hours.
Almost 3 hours going on. Did catch a nice solid trade, and we're gonna wait for another one. But honestly, we don't see it happening up until New York session. So, again, guys, those of you who've been chilling, thank you guys for coming in. If you enjoyed the streams, again, if you like to support the channel, you can hit us with that like, man. That'd be great. The subscribe button as well, man. We are here. GG, I've subbed. Hey, awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, dude. But yeah, we'll be back on later tonight, or I guess.
Yeah, later tonight for you
later
guys.
tonight, exactly. Yeah, we'll be on. We'll be back on to catch another London session here with you guys. So again, thank you so much, guys.
Hey, for everybody watching before we leave,
Yeah.
make sure you look at our description. We have a mentorship if you guys are interested, whether it's a one-on-one or online course. An online course contains over 50 hours of content, and it's not cluttered. It's the only content that you need to know. We also have the link to a free group chat. We use Telegram. It's
Cheers,
very
guys.
similar to WhatsApp. All you have to do is click on the link and subscribe. It's free. That's where we send a lot of signals, technical analysis, stuff about news. If anything is happening throughout the day, and whenever we're live, we send the link. So if you guys want to keep up with us,
Yeah,
join.
absolutely.
If you're skeptical, just join the free group chat. It don't hurt. And if you want to, follow us on Instagram, that'd be great. It'll be a great big help. But
Yeah,
thank
for
you
sure.
for everybody that joined us today, and hopefully you guys, come around tomorrow, and we keep watching, and everybody makes money. Cheers, guys.
It's always good to hear new people. Absolutely, 100%, man. Thank you guys again for hanging out and the vibes, man. Like I said, and if you guys can learn something from us, awesome, dude. You know what I mean? So, you guys have a good night. Or a
Good
good
night,
day,
guys.
actually.
Or yeah.
You guys have a good day.
Good day for you guys.
We're going to sleep.
Hey, get some Guinness, brother. Get some Guinness.
100%. Later, guys.
Some,
Have a good night.
good night. Good night. Some Bushwick.
Thank you.
Yeah, Brian knows what I'm talking about.
There you go. Word. Later, guys.